finished product for both masks. This is my husband's mask. I did end up having to glue with hot glue the little beads on. So these are cute and simple masquerade masks. Let's say you were going to a masquerade party and had to rush and do something. I got this one. It was a full mask from the Goodwill. And you can also buy them at Party City for about $3, but I got this one for $1.19. And I just cut it myself, but it's already cut like this at Party City. And then I got this one from Party City for 99 cents and decorated it myself. You can get ones already decorated and they're really nice, but they start at $9.99, and that was just too much for what I'm trying to do them for. I just need it for a photo shoot, so it's a one-day thing. So I decided to make it myself. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.